Welcome to Turing School's Try Coding Workshop. We're so glad you're here today.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Today, we will learn some foundational programming concepts and explore the differences between front-end and back-end engineering. This interactive workshop is designed for adult learners to see if software engineering is a career path for you. Back-end engineering is concerned with managing data and allows us to build dynamic web applications. Front-end engineering is the part of the web application that users see, touch, and interact with. You'll leave the day with your own code project and a better understanding of what software engineers do every day.
Kind of wild that we just started learning this morning, and already I'm like figuring out how to do this. Thank you so much. This is really great.
You can sign up for Turing School's Try Coding workshops at trycoding.turing.io. Hope to see you soon.